Welcome! In this video, we will look at standard breakpoints. These are the screen width where your layout should adapt. And we have the common breakpoints include 576 pixels for small phones, 768 pixels for tablets, 992 pixels for small desktops, and 1200 pixels for large desktop. And we have the 2K and 4K. Those resolutions are brought here. And you don't have to use all of them, but it's good to test your design at these points to make sure everything looks right. These breakpoints match popular CSS frameworks like Bootstrap, but you can also create your own based on your design needs. Use min width or max width in your media queries depending on your approach, mobile first or desktop first. And here I show you a simple grid layout changing at each breakpoint. Breakpoints are essential for responsive design, appness, and mini project where we apply everything we have learned. See you there!